Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching and we can get it done together. So I already have my eyebrows done, and I put on some of my Maybelline Fit Me concealer on my eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit more, and then we can just get started on my makeup for the day. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but we'll figure it out. Oh yeah, and just like a note, I'm gonna be sipping whatever on some potato soup my mom made. We are going to take our handy dandy tape. I swear I can never find the freaking flat thing. But like, I don't want to waste this, you know, because I don't know where the tape thing went that it usually goes in. But I just don't want to toss this away and waste it, so. We don't need that much. We only need like this. We're gonna place it right under your eye right here. Oh, it needs to be a little longer than that. Place it right here. All taped up. Now we're gonna go in with like a base. We'll get Wilbur in the corner. He's just waiting for me to give him some soup. He's like falling asleep waiting. Freaking weirdo. So we're going to go in with Canvas as our base for now. It looks all white on me, dude. But oh my god, you guys. When I work at the casino, you can take the shuttle bus to the parking lot. The parking lot isn't even that far. I just don't like walking in the dark, so I always have the shuttle bus take me to the parking lot to my car. And because I work like evenings, so I don't usually get out until like 10:20 or 12:30 at night. So I have the shuttle bus take me, and I put my phone in my coat pocket, and I think I put it in like halfway, but I like walked out, and when I got in the shuttle bus, I like felt my pockets and I didn't feel my phone. It wasn't there, so I was like, okay, I'll just get my car, I'll bring it behind the casino, I'll go back in and look for my phone. So I did that, and it wasn't in the hallway where I thought maybe I had dropped it. It was on the ground in the road where like I got on the shuttle bus, but it was just laying there on the road. It was covered in like dirt water. By the way, I'm taking B from the palette. Oh damn, I haven't even showed you guys. Okay, I'm taking B right here. But that's where my phone was laying, and I thought it was honestly like a goner because it was just covered in dirt water. I was like, oh fuck, it's not gonna work, man. So I picked it up, wiped off like all the dirt water and stuff, and my screen is cracked all over, and there's like white on the side, like on the right side of it. It's probably only like 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch that covers the side of my phone that's just white, like something happened to like the pixels or something, because they're just not showing the color it's supposed to be. But it texts, it takes good photos, videos, and all that good stuff. The front and back camera work really good. But yeah, I was just surprised. I was like, dang. But I am gonna try and get it like fixed within like the next week. Hopefully it's not too much money because I'm broke all the time. Oh yeah, and we're also going in with the color Everglade. I'm trying to memorize these numbers. Social Glade. We're going in like the color Social Glade. What? Sevens. Sevens. My sister just asked what size shoes I wear. But I'm going for like a more colorful look. I want to use like the yellows, the greens, the blues, and just kind of just blend them all together. And then we are gonna go in with the darker green, which is called Daddy. We're going in with Daddy. I'll have to show you guys. This is Daddy right here. I hope work goes by fast tonight. The semester is almost done and I'm kind of just like, oh my god, just please, just fast forward to freaking my winter break. I'm just done. I'm done. I'm so done, you know. Now we're gonna take like this random brush I have that's fairly clean and we're just gonna go back and we're gonna blend it some more. Oh, it looks a little patchy, yo. That happened to me last night. I think I kind of just like forgot or something. Like I just didn't notice it before going out and it was just a little patchy. Just a little spot on my left side. I love this palette so much. You could just do so much. I've just been like, how like I've been messing with the colors is I just pick colors that like go well with each other, that complement with each other, and that like they're just blendable. Like they just look good together, you know? Now we're gonna go in with Playground, which is his light blue color. Did I point at the right one? Yeah, Playground. Then we're gonna go in at the end right here. I feel like this side goes a little higher than the other tape, so I'm just gonna bring it down a little. Just a little. I'm gonna have to go back in and just brighten up some of the colors though. And on the end, I do want to throw in, I'm contemplating, do I want to throw in like a dark blue or a dark purple? I think I'm gonna go in with the purple. Let's just do it, right? No. Yeah? No. Yeah? I don't know. Just right at the tip here. I don't want too much purple, just a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be showing you guys this. God, I'm such a great person. It's Escape. It's the darkest purple in this palette. And we're gonna go do that on the other side. And then we're gonna go back in and brighten some of the colors that kind of just got lost in it. So we're gonna go back in with Daddy. And we're gonna pack that in at the end right here. And I'm just gonna be going back and forth with the colors, adding them. And then go back in with Playground. We're gonna go back in with Playground just a little bit. And then just pick a little bit more of the purple. Wilbert, what are you doing? And now we are gonna go in with Social Blade, because I feel like that definitely got lost in the mix. I feel like, oops, that wasn't supposed to go that high. Rip. Still works out though, right? I went too high with this. Ah. It's okay. We're okay. It'll work out. We're going back in with B. Now we're going to take this brush we used earlier and we're gonna blend out the top. Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show. Now we're gonna take off the tape because we're all done with our little eye look, and we are gonna go in with my foundation, Maybelline Dream BB Cream in the color Medium Deep. I just bought like another tube, but I have like 2 of them that just have like a little bit left in them, and I'm trying to use all of them because I like to get every last drop. I'm so dramatic, dude. Okay. And then we are gonna go in with contour. Now we're gonna use Milani lipstick in the color Teddy Bear. Dude, I've been looking for this lipstick for the past week, and it was in my leather jacket that I wore like 2 weeks ago. I finally checked the pockets, it was in there. And it's like my favorite, because it's more of like just like a lip tint. This is what it looks like. Now we're gonna go in with my mascara and eyelashes, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. I'm gonna bake while I'm off camera too. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good week, because this will probably be uploaded Monday. Today's Sunday. Finals are coming up. Study hard, guys. You can do this. Give it a like, sub if you liked it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.